Shut up and sit down.
Gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. And I've had a prezzie. Oh, I've had a prezzie. And it is from John Wisener. So I'm just going to move my camera up a bit better so we can have a looky-loo at what we got. So, shall we open the packet? So I'm just gonna open up the flappage, and there's a nice little personal message there. Hello Colin, hopefully this note finds you well. As promised, a pick up for your up and coming build. Many thanks, John Wisener. Bless you. Many thanks, John. Oh, look at this. Ooh. Oh, I see flamage. I see flamage. Let's just try and get it out without the peanuts going everywhere. Look at that. Oh, just move the box out of the way and turn that round. See? Oh, look at that. Holy moly, 56 Ford pickup. Absolutely stunning. I really like that. That's 25th scale by Revell. And look at that. Wow. That is unbelievable, mate. I really do like that. Now, I'm tempted. I was going to do a nice patina and all of that lot. Damn, that's sexy. But what I can do it as, I'll do it as a shop motor, can't I? Keep the flames and all of that lot, but age it slightly as well, so it's faded down a bit. It's been a custom job, and now it's a shop van. And put a little bit of wear and tear on it, but I don't want to overdo it because I love this pattern. But I've got a feeling we can put the old Festa 67's workshop shop logo on there, but do it in old sort of, what's that, freak show font, that sort of thing, you know, with the gold and all of that, ye olde on the doors. And then have, like I say, a slight bit of patina here and there where the van's been aged, it's been dinged very slightly, but I don't want to go too mad on it. And it's a Ed Big Daddy Roth as well, so it's like, yeah, that is absolutely stunning, mate. Thank you so much. I am really going to go to town on this bad boy. I'm going to have a look inside, ain't I? I've got to. Can't help myself. Let's try and do it without doing a captain stabby on myself. There you go. Let's get the film of goodness off of there. Put that in the bin. Let's have a looky low. See, that's a picture of it. Damn, that's a nice size. Look at that. That gives you an idea of what we've got for the cab. That is absolutely stunning. Really distinctive look about them, mate. Really distinctive look. Yeah, I think we can have fun with this, John. Yeah, because I've got a Foose one coming down that was sent over by RW because we're doing a build with Miguel, and this is gonna be the Festa 67 shop van, mate. Gotta be. Why not? Yeah. I'll put a 3D printed Festa in there for you. Gotta be done, innit? Obligatory pork pie out and all of that lot. Why not? Damn. I'm just trying to envisage it's got opening and closing doors as well. Oh, gonna have fun with that. Yeah, put some hinges in there and all of that. Yeah, brilliant. Thank you so much, John. Can't thank you enough for that, mate. absolutely the dog's cocoonies, mate. And I shall film that for you, mate, and that'll be the dedicated to John Wisener build, mate, because you've been good enough to send me that, mate, and the least I can do is put your name all over it. I'll even get your name on there somewhere as well. I'll do a custom decal, mate, be it a number plate or whatever with your initials on it or whatever, but there'll be something, you know, bodywork by John Wisener, something like that, just as my way of saying thank you, mate, you know. So yeah, thank you again, John. Thank you so much, mate. Over the moon as usual. Festa's had a prezzie there, mate, and I am genuinely made up, mate. It's absolutely stunning kit, that. Thank you. What do you think of that, folks? Gorgeous, isn't it? Yeah. Beautiful. Thank you very much, John. And I'll catch up with you all soon. Bye-bye. Can I make broom noises?